Okay. Anong ilang feet dyan? 3 lang? 3 lang yan? 4? Ayun pala, 4. Wait, 5 eh. 5 nakalagay oh. Ba't nakalagay 5? 5.
Hindi ko alam.
Hi guys, good afternoon. We are here today at Rivera Golf Country Club. We are invited by our friend who is a member of this club to enjoy the weekend, mag-swimming. And this is also our advanced birthday celebration for Queenie. So, nandyan, nag-swimming na itong celebrant. It's so hot. Nice ang view. Na sila slide. And that's the, I think, the restaurant of the club. So here's the pool. Okay, bye. Hi guys. So mo ni akong mga kauban nga mag-swimming pa. Nice ilahang cottages guys oh. Yan. Starring ang ginamos guys. Nahuman namig paniud to. Relaxing. Okay.
Starring ang ginamos.
Guys, so ano ni balik ka ma'am shi? Mao ni guys ang golf ano. Area nice. So, mo ni ilahang golfing area. Walay nagduwa. Last na tong ari kay kuan eh, nay nagduwa.
Gani ha diha.
Ah?